there, we are making sushi and I'm here with my little helper.
I'm not gonna do anything.
And my big helper. This is what the little helpers right here. Number 1 and 2. All right, so here we are. We've got our seaweed wrap. And we are gonna take a little rice and spread it all over.
What are you making?
We're gonna make sushi. We're gonna spread it all over a thin layer of rice. You wanna actually make your rice and then cool it off, but use it pretty soon after you make it because you need that moisture.
Where's moisture again?
That means you need a little wetness so that it rolls up nice and easy. What I'm gonna do, and you can do, is you can take whatever your favorite things are and put it in, and we'll make a roll. So I like smoked salmon, and around here you can't really get a ton of sushi grade anything besides tuna, and it's like super expensive. So I am using smoked salmon and this one and a little avocado. Chloe, what are you doing? So what I'm gonna do is roll it like this. You hold the phone so that they could see me rolling this. Ready? Now we're gonna roll it, right? We're gonna just push it in like that. Kind of like making a burrito. We get a nice closure.
Why are you talking about that?
I'm taking a video. This is not traditional rice, but I figure it'll work. That's what I made. I'm gonna start by taking the rice and spreading it all over the seaweed. You can get this anywhere. Amazon, grocery store, your Asian food market. I found a nice brand that is low in sodium at the co-op. So that was pretty cool. Now what I'm gonna do is just sprinkle what I like as if I'm making a burrito. For those of you who are intimidated by making your own sushi, don't be. I was at first. It took me many years to get up the courage to try it. And then I realized it was like making a burrito, and I was like, I can do that. So I'm putting some lox down. I'm just putting the toppings in the middle. Toppings, I don't know. That's what I call them. I'm gonna put some shrimp down. You could put chicken in this. You could put anything you want, vegetables. I was trying to entice my child to eat it by saying we could put chicken nuggets in there. Now what I'm gonna do, I think it's the most important part, is you're gonna wrap it, and then you're almost gonna like make sure it's nice and neat in here. I'm gonna turn it around for you to see. And I'm gonna push my fingers to get it in there. And then I'm going to tuck it into bed like this and just gently and slowly roll it with a little pressure. The rice is still warm, just slightly warm, but I think that helps. Now you can cut it into pieces, or you could eat it like a burrito. So what I'm gonna do is cut it. And it's a little larger than what you might get out at the grocery store, but there you go. Beautiful. And here is the result. Enjoy.